Have you ever wanted to make a Roblox game, but then you finish the game and you realize you have no money to sponsor it or advertise it, and you have no money to hire anyone for GFX or a thumbnail? Well, worry no more, because you might be able to get an investment for your game. Alright, so if you guys don't know, basically I created this thing called RowTank, and essentially what it is, it's like the Roblox version of Shark Tank. And basically what Shark Tank is, if you don't know, it's where people come on and then they pitch their business idea to investors or whatever, right? And then the investors say, okay, is this a good idea? Will it make me money? And if they think it is, they'll make an offer for the person. And if that person accepts the offer, then obviously it's good for them because they get some money to, fund whatever they need to fund. And then also the investor gets some profit because they give normally a percentage of their company. Now basically we're doing the same exact thing but for Roblox games. And we've actually been doing this for quite a while now. As you can see, this is a stream from September 26th. We had a whole different map. We built a new map. I'm going to show you guys that in a second here. But basically, as you can see, we had all these people watching like every single week. We did it for months and months. It was super fun. We got a lot of really, great games that people invested into, but we decided to take a little bit of a break, right? It was getting a little bit repetitive, and we also wanted to make a new map, make the game a little bit better, and update stuff just in general, you know what I mean? So that's exactly what we did. We've now made an entire new map, and it's been about 2 months since the last RowTank, and the next one, I'm excited to say, is tomorrow, Saturday, November 21st. We're going to be doing it again this Saturday. I'm so excited. We built an entire new map, and I'm going to show you guys that right now, okay? And honestly, it all kind of started whenever I realized that, some people might need investment for their game, because I remember back in the day when I didn't have any Robux or anything at all, and I wanted to make a game, I used to think to myself, like, how am I going to get people to play my game? I can't sponsor it, I can't advertise it, I don't have any money, so, like, what do I do? And basically, me and obviously a few other people came up with the idea to do this, and that's what we've been doing. We made an entire new map, I'm going to show you guys that right now. So it's not 100% done just yet, but if you hit play, as you can see, you spawn in right here, and then we have this main, spawn area where everyone comes in and they, I guess, talk to the people, and then you spawn in and you see you have this main spawn area where everyone spawns in. They can take a little picture here. We have a leaderboard. We're going to fix that actually up, but yeah. And then this is like the main stage area, right? You'll just watch over it and you see there's the sharks or whatever, and then there'll be the person who's presenting their game, and they can actually put their image on that board right there, which is super cool. Now we basically went for like kind of an underground cave type of feel. I feel like it came out super cool. I honestly like it a lot. The last map was cool too, but we wanted to spice it up a little bit more and make it, a little bit more close together. There's also a downstairs area, so if it gets too cluttered, you can take the elevator, click this button right here. So as you can see, now we're down here in this bottom room, and you can, watch from down here with a little bit less clutter. Also, we have some pictures from the other maps right here. As you can see, there's the old map, man. It looks it looks cool. It's just, we keep it for memories, you know what I mean? So I'm glad we have that here. And then actually before that, we had a different map. As you can see, that was the first ever map. This was actually our first map right here. So we've literally come such a long way from building these maps, man. I mean, it's just been crazy. But yeah, we're actually going to call this RowTank Season 2. So we never really took a break officially, right? We just kind of went from that map to the second one. But, we took a break, so we're going to call this one Season 2. We also updated the scripts a lot more than we did the last time as well. So we have an entire new shop system. Let me show you something else that's cool. When you first spawn in, it's going to be closed in like this, right? There's going to be curtains right here, right? That's that way you can't see in. But then we coded it so I can actually put up these curtains. So as you can see, if I go to my settings bar right here and I press the curtains button, as you can see, they go up. And I don't know why I think it's so cool, but it just looks so clean for some reason, right? They just move up and then boom, they're up now, right? So that's pretty cool. And then we'll have a VIP area over here just in case people need extra room or whatever. They can come over here. Nothing's too crazy in here, just a little extra viewing space. But we have a bunch of cool animations. Like as you can see right here, it says RowTank, right? But if we stand right here, then make a little T pose and it spells out RowTank with your body. I think that's honestly super cool. I love how the guy did this. He did a great job. But yeah, then we also have a timer, because last time we didn't have a timer, so we kind of ran off with people for way too long. But as you can see, we have a timer. Right now it's set to 20 seconds, but we'll change that probably to like 5 minutes or something. But yeah, we also have an area where you can clip like a title. And then if you want to take a screenshot or something right here, as you can see, you stand right here, press print screen, and boom, now I just took a screenshot. But yeah, I honestly, I like it a lot more than the last one. I just think it has more of a, I don't know, like enclosed vibe. I don't know. I like it a lot for some reason though. We also have a backstage over here, so the contestants can actually come in here and then they can wait, for obviously for the time to be called. And then once they're called, they'll walk out on stage and then everyone will be watching. So it'll be super cool. Okay, this was actually our second ever stream right here, and it's just bringing back so many memories, man. Let me go and play it real quick. Well, we're live. But as you can see, man, look at this, man. We used to literally have people like all up there. Wow, welcome everyone. And then we had a VIP area like behind it. It was so cool, but we've, came a long way, and I think it's obviously gotten better. So I'm super excited to host this week's RowTank. It's going to be awesome. If you want to know how to actually apply for RowTank, I'm going to explain that in a little bit as well. But if you want to know when the date is, basically it's going to be every single Saturday at 2 p.m. Eastern. So be sure to subscribe for that and turn on post notifications. That way you don't miss it out. It'll be live streamed on this channel as well. That way you can watch it live. So if you want to see that, make sure to subscribe. subscribe. All right, now how do you actually apply? Obviously, a lot of people are going to ask this question, so let me explain. So as you can see right here, we have a RowTank submission form, and basically, it's just going to tell you what basically the requirements are. Obviously, we want you to have a mic, right? Because it's going to be kind of annoying if we can't hear you. We want you to make sure you have like a little bit of a pitch. We want to come prepared a little bit. Also, we require that your game is over 50% done, because if it's not, then it just kind of gets annoying because ideas get a little bit redundant sometimes. Then we ask you basically a series of questions. I'm not going to read them all, but as you can see, we ask you a series of questions. You answer them, and then your responses will be over here. And then we'll basically select, I'd say about 10 people per stream, maybe 10 to 20, and then you'll be ready for the RowTank on that day. All right, now how do you actually find this form? Where's the link to it? So I'm not going to link the form because basically, if you want to actually be in a RowTank, you have to be in my Discord server anyways, because you need to actually go to the voice calls down here and talk to us. So I'm going to link my Discord server in the description below. It's discord.gg/rowdevs, or the link in the description below. Go join the Discord server, and if you want to actually be on a RowTank, here's the form to it. As you can see, it's posted in this RowTank channel right here. So come here and then click on the form, and then be able to fill it out and all that stuff. Honestly, I'm just super excited. We're going to be doing this live on every Saturday, 2 p.m. Eastern, so be sure to be there if you're interested in this. We've worked super hard on this new map, and yeah, I think this new season will be better than ever. So be sure to come and watch, and we'll see you guys there on Saturday at 2 p.m. Eastern. But be sure to leave a like if you enjoyed the video, and subscribe if you want more Roblox development related content. But anyways, guys, I'll see you guys in the next one, and peace.